Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English through Passage. This is the second part of 7 habits of highly effective people. Passage name is Effectiveness Defined. Now let's start. The 7 habits are habits of effectiveness because they are based on principles. They bring the maximum long term beneficial results possible. They become the basis of a person's character, creating an empowering center to correct maps from which an individual can effectively solve problems, maximize opportunities, and continually learn and integrate other principles in an upward spiral of growth. They are also habits of effectiveness because they are based on a paradigm of effectiveness that is in harmony with a natural law, a principle I call the PYPC balance, which many people break themselves against. This principle can be easily understood by remembering Aesop's fable of the goose and the golden egg. This fable is the story of a poor farmer who one day discovers in the nest of his pet goose a glittering golden egg. At first, he thinks it must be some kind of trick, but as he starts to throw the egg aside, he has second thoughts and takes it in to be appraised instead. The egg is pure gold. The farmer can't believe his good fortune. He becomes even more incredulous the following day when the experience is repeated. Day after day, he awakens to rush to the nest and find another golden egg. He becomes fabulously wealthy. It all seems too good to be true. But with his increasing wealth comes greed and impatience. Unable to wait day after day for the golden egg, the farmer decides he will kill the goose and get all at once. But when he opens the goose, he finds it empty. There are no golden eggs, and now there is no way to get any more. The farmer has destroyed the goose that produced them. I suggest that within this fable is a natural law, a principle, the basic definition of effectiveness. Most people see effectiveness from the golden egg paradigms. The more you do, the more effective you are. But as the story shows, true effectiveness is a function of two things: what is produced and producing asset or capacity to produce. If you adopt a pattern of life that focuses on golden eggs and neglects the goose, you will soon be without the asset that produces golden eggs. On the other hand, if you only take care of the goose with no aim toward the golden eggs, you soon won't have the wherewithal to feed yourself or the goose. Effectiveness lies in the balance, what I call the PYPC balance. P stands for production of desired results, the golden eggs. PC stands for production capability, the ability or asset that produces the golden eggs. Vocabulary: principles means theory, doctrine, rule. Empower means enable. Opportunity means chance, occasion. Harmony means consistency, adjustment. Fable means myth, short story. Glittering means shining, brighten. Appraised means judge, estimate. Fortune, luck, fate, destiny. Incredulous means unbelieving, doubtful. Awakens means wake up. Rush, haste, hurry, quickly. Fabulously means extremely well. Greed, thirst, desire. Destroyed, ruined. Produced, output, making, asset, benefit, advantage. Capacity means ability. Neglect means ignore, discard. Wherewithal means resources, finance, money. Desired means aspiration, ambition, intent. Thank you.